They're fired up on the limb.
Here we go. Started turkey season for us. I guess Cade's been out a couple times. He was able to call Tom actually into like 25 yards, right? Yeah, was hunting with his bow though, so wasn't able to get a shot off on it. But we went out tonight, start of season B here in Minnesota, and we got 2 roosted. We got a rough idea. I think we could probably have a guess within about 50 yards of where they're at, so should be able to get within at least 100 yards of them in the morning, and we'll see what happens then. But they're gobbling, we're ready to go, and hopefully we can get them down. Hey there. There's at least 2.
Yeah, they're not very far. They're past these 2 for sure, right? Oh yeah, okay. I think let's go on the left side here, because I think we have those 2 trees in between us and the bird. Yeah.
So I ended up getting sat down in this tree here about 60 yards away from the birds are roosted. And the birds ended up staying up there for about 40 minutes after shooting light. But they put on an absolute show for us. So once the birds finally flew down, thought it was going to just be game on. They started responding to every call we had, but they ended up just slowly drifting away until they were on private and answered every call. But as you can see here, they just didn't want to play the game. This is the following morning. Kate and I heard this bird gobbling, and we were able to slip in to about 100 yards away from it on the roost.
I think we're within 100 yards of them. Okay. In this window. Yeah. Okay. If he pops strut, I probably won't. I'll just watch and see what he does. Or if he looks nervous at all, I'm shooting. What'd you say? We're pretty close. Yeah, we are. I was closer yesterday, but...
I rushed it.
Yeah.
I had way more time than that, didn't I? I shot over him.
Did you?
What? She started putting.
She knew we weren't something. She knew we weren't right, but she didn't know that. Good thing, because your GoPro's facing straight down. Unless you just touched it.
I touched it.
All right, so after I missed that bird there, I was pretty frustrated with myself, obviously. No, I ended up getting a little spooked there and was taken off, and I completely rushed it. That looking back, we kind of said thereafter, just completely rushed it. I panicked a little bit, got too worried about them all just running away, and I rushed the shot. If you look back at it, Tom didn't really actually know fully what was happening, so if I would have just took that extra second to gather myself and make a good shot instead of just reacting to them spooking and trying to shoot them, probably would have turned out different. Definitely a bird should have got, but you know, that happens. So after that, we ended up trying to move around, trying to strike up other birds. We ended up striking up one other bird just off the road. Like, we had stopped the car, called, and it gobbled about 60 yards away. And Kate actually tried to drive off. I tried to slip into the woods quick and sit down, but it was already to us before I could even get sat down. So that bird ended up spooking too. And then we ended up not finding much the rest of that day. It got really windy and just wasn't able to hear much, so it just wasn't gonna happen that day. So then Friday ended up raining like all day. This morning, Saturday, it was raining, and it's finally stopped raining about midday today. It's about 3:30 now, so it looks like there's a little bit of sun trying to get out, so I'm gonna see if I can't strike up a bird here the rest of this afternoon, then hopefully I at least roost some for tomorrow morning, but we'll see how it goes.
God, dude, I'm gobbling.
coming. I see him. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I was so sick. Holy cow. Let's go. Oh my God. That was epic. Struck him up right out of the car. Both gobbled up on top of that hill over there. These are the ones we had roosted the day before. And they ended up working way off to private land. Oh my God, first turkey ever. Let's go. Smoked them. Absolutely smacked them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. All right, here we go. There's a turkey we got. Worked in beautifully. You know, we went and worked around a big area that we've been working birds all the last few days and wasn't hearing nothing. So came over here. This is actually where we originally roosted the birds on opening morning of season B here. Hopped out of the car, called just a few times. I thought I might have heard one gobble, and so I walked a little farther forward, called some more, and I heard them both fire off. So ran back to the car, grabbed my gun, ran down the trail a little bit, called again, heard them, realized I could get a little closer, got as far as I thought I could, sat down in the tree, and it took like 2 minutes, and they were right there. So they looked a little wary, so it was a little further shot, but we were able to get the job done. So here we go, first turkey ever, and I'm happy with it. Needed that after missing the one earlier. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. We'll be in Wisconsin next, seeing if we can't get another one down.